I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable Hey Siri on your macOS device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Apple Intelligence and Siri. Step 3. Navigate to the Siri Requests section and then click to toggle on Siri if it isn't enabled already. Step 4. Find the Listen For option in this section and then click to expand the drop-down next to it to open a menu. Step 5. Click either Hey Siri or the option for Hey Siri or Siri. A window opens prompting you to set up Siri on your iMac or MacBook. Step 6. Click Continue. Speak the phrases you're prompted to say on the next few screens. Eventually, you'll see a note that Siri is ready and that your Mac will listen for Hey Siri. Step 7. Click Done. Going forward, whenever you say Hey Siri, you'll see a Siri bubble pop up in the top right corner of your screen that shows you what you said and then Siri's response. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.